Hey guys, today we're gonna have a look into how to make modern percussion sounds. First of all, switch off the oscillator A and we're gonna use only noise. Next step is we're gonna use LFO1 to modulate level of noise, and in LFO you have to make like a rhythmical pattern which will give the movement to the noise. It's not necessary to follow the same pattern as I am making right now. It's more about like your creativity. Try to play together with the drums and try different rhythms, try different envelopes of LFO to get different results. Let's check how it sounds now. Let's change LFO speed a bit. You can also try different types of noise. So once you get a decent foundation, it's time to some processing. Let's add some distortion and see how it's gonna sound together with distortion. Let's add some width. So okay, we cued it a bit and now let's add some sidechain compression so it doesn't clash with the rest of the sounds. We can also try different types of distortion and other types of processing. We can also get some movement by adding some filters and automatizations. that's it.